In this short tutorial, I will show you how to disable automatic downloads on Chrome for Android. Automatic downloads can use up your data and storage space without you knowing it. By turning it off, you can have more control over what gets downloaded on your device. To get started, open the Google Chrome web browser on your Android device. Once you have Chrome open, look for the three little dots at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these dots to access a menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, where various options are available. On the Settings page, scroll all the way down until you reach the bottom. Here, you will find an option labeled Site Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. Now that you're in Site Settings, scroll down again until you see Automatic Downloads. Tap on it. To disable automatic downloads in Chrome, simply toggle off this switch. You will notice that once it's turned off, automatic downloads are now blocked. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.